Okay, there's another quick update on my remodeling, this time from the addition. While the screed is drying upstairs, I started to install all the ductwork for the AC, which is complete by now. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, probably. These are the boxes for the vent registers. And there's the intake with the filter. That's the AC unit. And there's the supply air plenum. I'm just in the process of putting all this, what's that? That's 3 by 5 centimeters. That's about 1.5 by 2 in inches. Up there for the subconstruction of the ceiling. I also have to install the insulation in this part. It's already done here. The fiberglass. I also started on the electrics here. Basically I finished it, aside from whatever is on this side, and the lighting. But it's making progress, and I will probably make a video again this weekend for, whatever I'm gonna be doing. I will have to get the hardware store now to get some more wood to install, and yeah, that's how it's going. Next step after I finish up here will be to put in all that insulation up here into the rafters, between the rafters, and yeah, I guess this will be the next big project here. All right, see you soon.